Usurp.
Usurp mean. Seize, wrest, encroach, coup.
Opposite meanings are restore, compensate, grant, reinstate.
Unseemly.
Unseemly mean. Undesirable, inappropriate, uncouth, awkward.
Opposite meanings are becoming, acceptable, decorous, admirable.
Ungainly.
Ungainly mean. Clumsy, unskilled, immature, slovenly.
Opposite meanings are active, expert, skillful, dexterous.
Uncouth.
Uncouth mean. Awkward, ungraceful, inelegant, vulgar.
Opposite meanings are elegant, graceful, distinguished, shapely.
Umbrage.
Umbrage mean. Resentment, bitterness, dissatisfaction, offense.
Opposite meanings are sympathy, goodwill, amity, esteem.
Vulgar.
Vulgar mean. Inelegant, offensive, nasty, ungraceful.
Opposite meanings are refined, graceful, elegant, civil.
Vouch.
Vouch mean. Confirm, consent, approve, endorse.
Opposite meanings are repudiate, prohibit, recant, retract.
Volatile.
Volatile mean. Light, changing, transient, temporal.
Opposite meanings are heavy, ponderous, perpetual, stable.
Vigilant.
Vigilant mean. Cautious, alert, wary, circumspect.
Opposite meanings are careless, negligent, inattentive, casual.
Vicious.
Vicious mean. Corrupt, obnoxious, degraded, demoralized.
Opposite meanings are noble, virtuous, innocent, undefiled.
Vibrate.
Vibrate mean. Swing, oscillate, fluctuate, undulate.
Opposite meanings are cease, pause, rest, discontinue.
Venom.
Venom mean. Poison, resentment, malevolence, rancor.
Opposite meanings are antidote, remedy, benevolent, sympathetic.
Venerable.
Venerable mean. Esteemed, honored, respectable, worthy.
Opposite meanings are unworthy, immature, degrade, degenerate.
Vanity.
Vanity mean conceit, pretension, immodesty, pride.
Opposite meanings are modesty, humility, meek, bashful.
Valour.
Valour mean bravery, prowess, heroism, chivalry.
Opposite meanings are and fear, cowardice, unmanliness.
Valid.
Valid mean sound, authentic, genuine, reliable.
Opposite meanings are fallacious, deceptive, dubious, uncertain.
Valiant.
Valiant mean brave, gallant, courageous, chivalrous.
Opposite meanings are fearful, afraid, coward, dastardly.
Vagrant.
Vagrant mean idle, roaming, wanderer, roving.
Opposite meanings are steady, settled, stationary, stable.
Wave.
Wave mean relinquish, remove, abjure, renounce.
Opposite meanings are impose, clamp, grasp, retain.
Wary.
Wary mean cautious, circumspect, prudent, chary.
Opposite meanings are heedless, negligent, impulsive, reckless.